I'm a high-performance coach and mentor. I specialise in enhancing Olympic world-class athletes. People read books. I love reading maps. A map tells you so much. It's a great story to it. I love the escapism, being out there with the elements, it challenging me physically and mentally. It really gives you a true perspective on life. That's what I live for. Losing quality vision had a massive impact on me. I kind of got a small bit of depression over it, really, I think, because my life is about being out there in the environment. I was so surprised that I thought this is all going to come to an end. I didn't feel safe. I was really worried, like anyone would be. This is my eyes. This is my business, my life, my hobbies. I wanted to know that I was definitely in the right hands, and I was confident enough to believe in Optegra, and the outcome for me was phenomenal. I don't ever take for granted where I'm at with my eyes now. Just to stop, to pull a map out and have the clarity that I had was just incredible. I'm doing things I was doing when I was in my 20s, and I'm 56 now, so it's definitely life-changing. We go away up in the mountains and stop, listen to the quiet and just enjoy that moment. There's something that comes out of that that's quite hard to talk about until you feel that as a family. It's what makes me want to get out of bed in the morning. You've got to make sure you see the right people.